As we enter the coastal boulevard, the atmosphere shifts instantly. Palm trees line the road, elegant street lamps rise like guardians from another era, and the soft ocean breeze flows through every corner of the city. This is Tangier's Corniche, peaceful, scenic, and full of life. Cars move gently along the road, people gather on the sidewalks, families relax on the grass, and the sea is always just a few steps away. Here, Tangier shows its calmest and most charming side. Look toward the horizon, that endless blue isn't just the Mediterranean. A few kilometers beyond the curve of the water lies the point where the Mediterranean meets the Atlantic Ocean. Tangier sits at a natural intersection between two worlds, Africa and Europe. On clear days, Spain appears across the sea, only 14 kilometers away. This proximity has shaped Tangier for centuries. Explorers, merchants, artists, and dreamers have always been drawn to this meeting place of cultures. As the road curves forward, Tangier rises above the cliffs. The white hillside houses stand proudly, stacked like steps along the rock. This classic architecture is one of Tangier's signatures, bright walls catching the sunlight, narrow alleys hidden behind them, and breathtaking views overlooking the water. These homes have watched civilizations come and go. Phoenicians, Romans, pirates, traders, diplomats, all leaving their mark on this coastal city. But the magic of Tangier is not only in its history, it's in the rhythm of everyday life. On the Corniche, you'll find simple scenes that feel timeless. Children running, couples walking slowly, friends laughing, street vendors preparing tea, and the fresh sea breeze weaving through it all. Here, life moves at its own pace, calm, warm, and full of authenticity. Further along the boulevard, the scenery becomes almost cinematic. Palm trees stretch into the sky, the ocean opens wide to the left, and the hillside rises with elegance to the right. It's no wonder Tangier attracts filmmakers and photographers. The light here is special. Soft, golden, and perfect for capturing the beauty of northern Morocco. If you ever visit, come during sunset. The colors here are unforgettable. As we continue driving, the coastal road gradually leads toward Tangier's modern port and marina. In recent years, this entire area has been transformed: wide walkways, modern cafes, bike paths, fountains, and long views of the sea. Yet only a few steps away from the modern marina, you'll find Tangier's old Medina, with its ancient walls, traditional shops, and historic charm. This harmony between old and new is what gives Tangier its soul. Tangier is a place where centuries collide. Modern cars pass beside centuries-old stone walls. Children play next to monuments older than entire nations. And cafes serve both traditional mint tea and modern international flavors. Every corner whispers a story. Every street connects the past to the present. As we reach the last stretch of the drive, the city slows down again. Families gather in open squares, kids laugh and chase each other, and the sea breeze settles peacefully over the coastline. Whether you're a traveler passing through or someone who calls this place home, Tangier always leaves an impression that stays with you long after you leave. This was a slow and peaceful drive through the heart of Tangier's coastline, one of the most beautiful places in Morocco. If you enjoyed discovering Tangier's charm, make sure to subscribe for more Moroccan adventures, hidden gems, and travel moments from around the world. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Tangier.
Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you loved this travel guide, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more adventures, and share this video with your fellow travelers. Until next time, keep exploring, because the world is waiting.